I really hate making videos where I start off crying, because as you guys know, a little over a year ago, I sat here and did the same exact thing when we lost Abby. So me sitting here crying can only mean one thing, and that is that I lost yet another furry friend. So if you don't like seeing people ugly cry like me, or you don't want to hear anything sad or anything, you don't have to watch this video. Today is August 1st when I'm filming this, and today's video is going to be all about Tigger. Like I did with Abby, I wanted to make Tigger a video, and I did do the furry friend tag with him, I think 2 years ago, and I'll leave it down below. But again, I just put together some clips and videos. I didn't have as much with him as I did with Abby because most of his life was before the digital era, so they're all just real photographs. I've had Tigger since I was 8 or 9, and he was just this little fuzzball that showed up at our back door, and he was so skinny and small, and he barely could like peek over the door, and no one claimed him, and we kept him, and he's been there through everything. He's been there for me through the high school drama, the middle school drama, the college drama, losing my grandmother, losing Abby, through my depression and anxiety, and so much more. And I've always said Tigger's a therapy cat because he knows when you're sad and he will come up to you and headbutt you and everything. And when I'd be doing homework, he'd want attention and he'd literally get on my textbook and sprawl across it, so I couldn't do it. And so back in May, he had a massive seizure and we had to take him to the vet. And they said that cats take 24 hours to come out of seizures. And so we took him home and we loved on him, and that day we thought we were gonna lose him and stuff. And he came out of it and he's been fine. He's been blind for about a year now, but he still navigates just fine and is still happy. And so 71 days later from that vet visit, I woke up this morning and there was just blood everywhere, and he wasn't himself. He usually wakes me up in the morning by getting in my bed and walking all over me and purring and stuff, but he just didn't do that today. And I looked at him and just the blood on his face, and it was coming out his nose. If you guys don't see videos from me for a little while, that's why. Even though he's a cat, he's my best friend, and this is definitely gonna be something that takes me a little while to get over. Just know that if I stop uploading videos, it's not because I don't care about YouTube, but it's because I need to work on myself first, because I'm losing my best friend. He is just as much of a friend to me as a human, if not more of a friend. So right now I'm just gonna roll the clips that I put together. I used the voiceover from the furry friend tag, and I just have a few clips and pictures.
The first cat I ever got was Tigger, and he is actually a Maine Coon cat. Tigger was a stray in the neighborhood, and no one took him in, and we decided that we would. I'm not sure if you guys can hear, but Tigger is constantly purring, and it's not just like, you know, like quiet purring, no. He purrs wicked loud, and he's almost always purring. He also snores at night like a human. Something that's really cool about Tigger is he has mitten paws, which basically looks like he has an extra thumb. Tigger is my man, and he's my best friend, and Tigger is one of those cats that when you're crying, he comes up to you and headbutts you and loves you and can tell when things are wrong.
Like I said, today is August 1st. Great way to start off the month. But just know that if you've recently lost a pet or anything, I know how heartbreaking it is. YouTube is my outlet, and I definitely wanted to come on here and tell you guys what's going on. So until I see you guys next time, there's one thing I want you guys to do, and that is hug your pets a little tighter tonight, because chances are there's someone out there who has just lost one of theirs and won't be able to hold theirs. So I will see you guys next time. Bye guys!